65 as a preteen duet contemporary. Please welcome Wishbone.
I'll be on tour almost every day. When I was home up in my flat is where we used to stay. We go anywhere our minds would take us, and I'll say you were beautiful without your makeup. And you don't even need to worry about your weight cuts. We can all be loved the way that God made us. And time's the only reason that we could break up, cause you would always tell me I'm away too much. Distance is relative to the time that it takes to get on a plane or make a mistake, so say it again. Oh, Nina, you should go, Nina, cause I ain't ever coming home. Nina, oh, won't you leave me now? And I've been living on the road, Nina, but then again you should know, Nina, cause that's you and me both. Nina, oh, won't you leave me now? Now, we can either deal with the pain or wait to get on a plane, but in the day we'll have to say it again. Oh, Nina, you should go, Nina, cause I ain't ever coming home. So won't you leave now? And I've been living on the road, all the time. You should know, and your broken heart, you need to get back. Oh, won't you leave me now? Oh, Nina, you should go, Nina, cause I ain't ever coming home. Oh, won't you leave me now? And I've been living on the road, and again you should know, then again you should know, that's you and me both, that's you and me both. Won't you leave me now? Now
I think the hardest thing